Want to switch your Google Chrome to dark mode on your computer? Here is the quickest way to do it using the settings menu. First, open Chrome and look at the top right corner of your screen. Click on the three vertical dots to open the main menu. Next, scroll down and click on Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the menu on the left side of your screen and click on Appearance. Now look at the main section where it says Mode. Click on the drop-down menu right next to it and select Dark. You can also choose Device if you want Chrome to automatically match your computer's system theme. Want to switch Google Chrome to dark mode and also give it a fresh look? Here is the most up-to-date way to do it. Once the appearance is open, right at the top, you will see a button that says Theme. Click that, and a side panel will slide out on the right. Below the light and dark buttons, you will see a grid of color presets. These let you add a custom theme to your dark mode, like a deep navy blue or a sleek charcoal gray. If you want Chrome to perfectly match your Windows or Mac accent colors, just toggle the switch that says Follow Device Colors at the bottom of the panel. It is the best way to make your browser easier on the eyes while making it look exactly how you want. If this quick tip helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Chrome tutorials. See you in the next one.